Hey guys, I'm Rich McCongtell. That's Cash. That's my Juice driving. That's in the car, and we're on our way to go buy me a bra.
Actually, two bra.
Two bras, a regular bra and a sport bra for me to wear it at work. So let's see how it goes. Picking out my first bra, I wanted a Victoria's Secret bra because it's my first bra, so I want to go big, but I wasn't paying for it, so obviously my sisters bought me just a good enough bra. So this is my last night being braless. I'm gonna miss it. I feel like a lot of men have issues with their feminine side, and I think this experiment kind of shows are you connected, are you not? I feel like I'm connected to my feminine side, so that's why I was able to yeah, let's do it, whereas other men probably would be like, no, I wear a bra, what WTF, you know? My size, I was 32 or 34B. While I was laying on the chair, while I was laying on the chair, she kind of glanced down and went, huh. And she acknowledged it and she continued with her job. And I thought that was something really professional that she did. She was like, okay, cool. He likes wearing bras. Okay. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna go to the dentist and I'm gonna do some laundry with my bra. Well, I'm gonna switch this into the sports bra so people won't look at me weird, but here we go. At sometimes I forgot about it, but most of the time I had to adjust it or move around so the bra moved. It's it's like wearing underwear and it just kind of gets stuck in some places and you gotta move it out and so it feels comfortable. But I think towards the end of the week I got more comfortable with it and I started accepting that it was gonna suck. Hey y'all, I just finished my first day at work. Wearing my bra. It's very uncomfortable. I feel like I have to adjust it every so often, and it's very restricting around the chest part, and I feel like my stomach kind of pops out more. Maybe that's a girl thing. I don't know. Marks. Yeah, every single time I took off my bra, it left marks. I had some rashes. Rashes, yeah. Hey guys, it's me, Rich. I'm here with my brother, Singh. We just got done volunteering for Firm? Firm, yeah. It's very hot, so I'm sweating a little. So I'm wearing my sports bra today. Can't see it, that's why. But I find it really itchy around the bottom when I start to sweat, and I find it kind of awkward trying to fix it in public. Our parents. The best part about wearing the bra. Oh man, there's. Yeah, I can't. There wasn't much positives, other than it was just a necessity that had to be done every single day. Yeah, I think the positive is knowing how a bra feels like. Yeah. So, my dentist is at lunch right now, so I'm just waiting in my car, and I'm starting to sweat right under the wire right here. Yeah, it's getting really sticky down there. There was a lot of heat and buildup in the bra right here. They're just very human there all the time. Yes, I think men and other people should be more understanding, because this
men and other people. What's the other people?
men, women, children, dogs, cars, whatever. They should be more understanding of, because I really believe that the bra adds on to the irritation, frustration, or whatever the woman is going through, and we should be more understanding of that. But I don't think it should be used as an excuse, because even if you're just having a really, really bad day, like you just woke up on the wrong side of bed, you know, like that's no excuse. Holy crap, I'm so sorry. Sometimes there's just really big guys who wears nothing but tank tops, and sometimes like they have nip slips, and we're okay with that. You know, so women, if you want to go braless, go ahead. I applaud you if you want to. Hashtag free the nipples, okay.